worry about indoor drying odors? Ako, hindi. Use Speedup with advanced perfume pills and resist indoor drying odors.
Perting paitas sa ampalaya.
Only 6 pesos.
Favorite ni mo ampalaya, be? Oh. Sige, hotda na ampalaya, sige. Oh, nice. Ano naman na? Oh, balahin at balahin na po, lain lang.